Once you master one habit, move to the next, because discipline in one area of life creates discipline in every area of life. At the end of the day, it all comes down to this. Do you want comfort or do you want growth? Because you cannot have both. Success and those sacrifices demand discipline. So stop waiting for the perfect moment. Stop waiting for motivation. Make discipline your best friend and success will follow. Your mind is your greatest tool, but it can also be your biggest enemy. What you think every day shapes your life. If you think like a failure, you will act like one. If you think like a winner, you will push yourself to become one. Your mindset is the foundation of everything. Your success, your happiness, your confidence, your actions. The truth is, the way you see yourself determines what you achieve in life. Many people limit themselves because of their own negative thinking. They doubt themselves, they focus on their weaknesses, they compare themselves to others, and because of these thoughts, they never take action, they never try new things, they never take risks, they stay stuck in the same life, complaining but never changing. But winners think differently. Winners believe in themselves even when no one else does. Winners don't focus on their weaknesses, they focus on improving themselves. Winners don't compare themselves to others, they compare themselves to who they were yesterday. And because they think differently, they act differently. Imagine two people facing the same problem. One person sees it as a dead end. They say, I can't do this, this is too hard, maybe I should just quit. The other person sees it as a challenge. They say, this is difficult, but I will figure it out. I will learn, I will grow, I will not give up. Now, tell me, who will succeed? The one with the loser mindset or the one with the winner mindset? The answer is clear, the one who refuses to give up. The difference between successful people and unsuccessful people is not luck, it is not talent, it is their mindset. Successful people see failures as lessons. Unsuccessful people see failures as proof that they are not good enough. Successful people believe that they can improve. Unsuccessful people think they are stuck where they are. It all starts in the mind. Think about this. Have you ever told yourself, I'm not smart enough, I'm not lucky enough, I don't have the resources? These thoughts are what stop you from growing. These are just excuses. The truth is no one is born successful. No one is born confident. No one is born with all the answers. Everyone starts somewhere, but only those with the right mindset reach their destination. So how do you change your mindset? You change your words. You change your thoughts. You change your focus. Stop saying, I can't. Start saying, I will figure it out. Stop saying, I'm not good enough. Start saying, I am improving every day. Stop focusing on what you lack. Start focusing on what you can do. One of the biggest mindset shifts you need is to stop fearing failure. Failure is not the end, it is a part of success. No one succeeds without failing first. Every great person you admire has failed more times than they can count, but they kept going. Because they knew failure is not a sign of weakness. It is a sign of effort. The only people who never fail are the ones who never try. Another important mindset shift is to take responsibility for your life. Stop blaming others. Stop blaming your circumstances. Stop waiting for someone to come and change your life. No one is coming to save you. You have to save yourself. The moment you take control of your mindset, you take control of your life. At the end of the day, it is your choice. You can either stay stuck in negativity, doubt, and excuses, or you can shift your mindset, believe in yourself, and take action. Your mind can be your biggest weapon or your biggest enemy. Choose wisely. Your daily habits shape your future. The small things you do every day may seem unimportant, but over time they define who you become. Many people believe that success comes from one big opportunity, one lucky break, or one moment of brilliance. But the truth is, success is built on daily habits. The little choices you make every single day decide where you end up in life. Some people waste their time in distractions. They wake up late, scroll through their phones, complain about their problems, and do nothing to change their situation. Then they wonder why their life is not improving. But winners have different habits. They use their time wisely. They focus on their goals. They do things that help them grow. They understand that success is not about luck, it's about discipline. One of the most powerful habits you can develop is consistency. Whatever you do once in a while does not matter. What you do every day is what counts. If you want to get stronger, going to the gym once will not help. But if you go every day, even for a short time, you will see results. If you want to learn something new, studying for one day will not change anything. But if you study for 30 minutes every day, in a few months you will be ahead of most people. Success is not about motivation. Motivation comes and goes. Some days you feel like working hard and some days you don't. That's normal. But if you rely on motivation, you will never be consistent. Winners do not wait to feel motivated. They build habits so that even when they don't feel like working, they still do it. They show up, they push themselves. They understand that discipline is more powerful than motivation. Many people say they want success, but their daily habits do not match their goals. They say they want to be healthy, but they eat junk food every day. They say they want to be rich, but they waste money on things they don't need. They say they want to be successful, but they spend hours watching TV instead of learning new skills. The truth is, if your habits do not align with your goals, you will never achieve them. Winners are different. They are disciplined. They do things that are hard even when no one is watching. They wake up early, they read books, they learn, they take care of their health. They invest in themselves. They stay away from distractions. They do not waste time on things that do not add value to their life. These habits are what separate winners from everyone else. Think about it. Where will your daily habits take you in the next 5 years? If you continue doing what you are doing today, will you be closer to your dreams, or will you still be stuck in the same place? Your future is being shaped right now by the small choices you make every day. The question is, are you making choices that move you forward or hold you back? The good news is you can change your habits. You don't need to change everything overnight. Start small. Pick one good habit and stick to it. Maybe it's reading for 10 minutes every day. Maybe it's exercising for 15 minutes. Maybe it's saving a little money instead of wasting it. Doesn't matter how small you start, what matters is that you start. Success is not complicated. It is simply the result of good habits repeated every day. If you want to change your life, change your habits. If you want success, start acting like the person you want to become. Winners are not born, they are made through discipline, consistency, and smart daily choices. Most people spend their time waiting for the right moment, waiting for motivation, waiting for someone to support them. They wait, and in the end, nothing changes. Life moves